Welcome back to Mike's Bikes. We've got a new series running at the moment, but we're going to highlight some of the cafes and places to head out to on bikes. You're doing a group ride on your own, you just want to go and get coffee somewhere, some food, somewhere you might not know about, just destinations to head for. And we're down here today at Hyside Motorcycles, which is Ducati dealership in Maldon, tucked away behind Morrison's. And we're going to go up and have a look at Cafe 1989, which does all the food and drinks you can wish for. Let's go and have a look around.
Hi, I'm Lucie from Cafe 1989 in Maldon. We're based in Hyside, just behind Morrison's. We do breakfast, lunch and dinner. We've got a very wide variety of menu. We've got drinks and food there. Our biggest breakfast is the biggest tip. So we're open 6 days a week, Monday to Saturday. We'll be open on Sundays during the summer. We're going to be having bike meets, barbecues on Sundays, everything like that. So yeah, it'd be great if you could all pop along.